Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Friends, today we are going to configure Ether-Trunk or Ether channel on the Huawei switches. As you can see, this is our topology and we have these two switches. We will configure Ether-Trunk on these switches, switch 1 and switch 2, and there are these three links which we will going to configure as bundle or Ether-Trunk, and this is the LAN network on both switches. We have VLAN 50 and VLAN 60, and in VLAN 60 we have these two PCs connected on both switches, and their IP addresses you can see 20.1 and 20.2, and in VLAN 50 we have 10.2 and 10.1 here. Basically, the Ether-Trunk is configured for redundancy and load balancing purpose. So we bundle all the links between two switches in a single Ether-Trunk, in a single bundle, so they can carry the traffic collectively and behave like a single link. And if any one of the link is down or not working, other links will be working as it is, and they will load balance the traffic also. Now we will go to the switch. As you can see, this is the fresh switch. We will type system view and we will change system name as switch 1. We will create VLANs first. VLAN batch 50, 60. Two VLANs are created. You can verify display VLAN. You can see both VLANs are created. Now I will check interfaces. Display IP interface brief. With the display IP interface brief, it will show only the layer 3 interfaces. We will check display interface brief, and these are the layer 2 interfaces. You can see these three interfaces: gigabit 1, 2 and 3, 0/0/1, 2 and 3. These are bundle links, and we are going to configure these as the Ether-Trunk, and these both interfaces will be going to LAN. Interface 4 will be in the 50 and 5 will be in the VLAN 60. First of all, we will configure Ether-Trunk 10 and mode LACP static. Port link type will be trunk, and port trunk allow pass all VLANs. This command will ensure that all VLANs will be passed through this trunk link. VLAN all. Now I will go to the interface GI 0/0/1 description Eth-Trunk switch 1 between switch 1 and switch 2. Similarly, now I will undo shut and Ether-Trunk 1. I will assign this interface to Ether-Trunk 10. So it is done now. Now I will go to the other interface 2, and description, same description, Ether-Trunk 10. Now I will go to the interface 3, Ether-Trunk 10, and description same. I will go to the LAN interface, which is 4, and port link type, this will be access, and port default VLAN 50. We will assign this port to VLAN 50, and undo shut. I will go to the interface 5 and port link type access, and port default VLAN 60. Port 5 will be in the 60 VLAN. We can quit and display Ether-Trunk 10. So we can see we have three interfaces configured, and number of interfaces of is 0 because on the other switch still Ether-Trunk is not configured. So we will go to the other switch. This is the system view and switch name switch 2, VLAN batch 50 and 60, display VLAN. So both VLANs are created now. Now I will configure interface Ether-Trunk 10, mode LACP static, and port link type trunk, port trunk allow pass VLAN all, the interface GI 0/0/1. We will assign Eth-Trunk 10. To similarly Eth-Trunk 10 3 and Eth-Trunk 10. We will check display this, and Eth-Trunk which you configured is assigned on this port. Now I will go to the LAN interfaces 4 and port link type access, port default VLAN 50. Now interface 5 0/0/5, port link type access and port default VLAN 60. Now we will verify display Eth-Trunk 10. You can see we have 3 interfaces in Eth-Trunk and the number of up interfaces is 3. Now I will quit. I will go to the interface Eth-Trunk 10. So I can also configure load balance, source, destination IP, and this is the load balancing method we will use. We can configure here also. We will save our configurations. Now we will go to the PC. This is PC1 and VLAN 50, and its IP is 10.1, and I will try to ping 10.2 and on the other switch in same VLAN. You can see ping is working. I will come here on this PC. Everything also working. So friends, we will come here on this switch, and we are going to disable the interface system view interface GI 0/0/1. This is one of the bundle interface, and we will shut it down, and this is linked down from the bundle Eth-Trunk, and you can see ping is now not working, and after some time it will be working again after some negotiation for LACP. You can see here one link is down. Now see, the ping started again. So the communication is established between the both PCs via other links, and other links are redundant now, and they are working. So friends, for today's video, our configurations are done for the Eth-Trunk configuration on the Huawei switches. So if you like the video, please share with your friends, like the video, and subscribe to the channel. Till the next video, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.